Welcome to Daily C1 English Vocabulary. Let's see how well you remember the words from day 16. You'll hear short dialogues. Try to recall the word. Let's begin. Momentum. Do you remember this word?
Should we launch the premium plan now, or wait until next month?
Now, we need to keep the momentum from our successful campaign.
Momentum. The driving force or inertia that allows a process or action to continue or develop. When something gains momentum, it becomes stronger and faster. Address. Do you remember this word?
Customer reviews mention long delivery times.
We're working to address that with a new shipping partner.
Address. To deal with or give attention to a problem or situation. Address concerns. Address the issue. Address the audience. Sustainable. Do you remember this word?
This discount strategy isn't sustainable for the long term.
I know, it's only meant as a short-term tactic to stabilize sales.
Sustainable. Able to continue over time without depleting resources or causing harm. Capable of being maintained. Sustainable growth. Sustainable habits. Decisively. Do you remember this word?
The competitor launched a similar product yesterday.
We need to respond decisively with our own announcement.
Decisively. In a manner that shows determination and firmness. Won decisively, acted decisively, responded decisively. Up in the air. Do you remember this idiom?
Are you going to the conference in June? It's still up in the air, depends on my project deadline.
Up in the air. Describes situations where decisions haven't been made or outcomes remain unknown. Plans are up in the air, still up in the air. Today we've repeated momentum, address, sustainable, decisively, up in the air. Subscribe and see you tomorrow for more C1 words.